Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with personal capital by Empower for fee and insurance tracking step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Personal Capital website. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your email address and password associated with your personal capital account. If you don't have an account yet, click on Sign Up to create one. Once logged in, you will be directed to your personal capital dashboard. Locate that Add Account button, usually found in the menu on the left side. Click on Add Account to begin the authorization process. In the list of available financial institutions, scroll down to find Empower. Click on Empower to proceed with the authorization. A new window will pop up for you to enter your Empower account credentials. Provide the required username and password for your Empower account. If prompted, complete any additional security verification steps required by Empower. Once your credentials are accepted, you will see a confirmation page summarizing the link between Personal Capital and Empower. Review the permissions requested by Personal Capital, then click Allow to grant access. Wait for the connection to establish, which may take a few moments. You will be redirected back to your Personal Capital dashboard once the connection is successful. Check the Investments, Fees, and Insurance tabs to ensure your data is updated and accurately reflected. Review the fee analysis and insurance details to fully utilize the tracking features. If any issues arise during the process, refer to the Help section for troubleshooting guidance. Your Personal Capital account is now authorized with Empower for comprehensive fee and insurance tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.